How's everybody doing today? Wanted to give you guys finally much anticipated post drywall, and we've even gotten some painting done video here. Give you a little update on our 1960s house because it's been a while for a proper video shot on a good camera. Took all the paper and tape off the window so we could actually see, and I got some lights, so I'm gonna try to give you guys the best lighting I can. Oh, I forgot, I got my ceiling lights. So the drywall has been done for about a week. I've managed in that time to spray the whole place with a coat of primer. Thank you to my dad for helping on that. He was a very, very big help. And then even put some finish coats on the ceiling. So in the kitchen and dining area, we have 2 coats of satin. Turned out really, really nice. And in the bathrooms also, we have the satin paint. And then the rest of the house just got flat. So I can show you in here. The flat on the ceiling came out great. We sprayed on 1 coat and then I rolled on the 2nd coat, and it came out really good. So we still need to do the walls. They've all been kills with some primer, and I sanded them, so we're good there. The floor in the next week and a half is gonna be getting refinished. So I'm gonna hold off on the walls till after that gets done. But as you can see, the bedrooms, the ceilings are all set, ready to go. So no more ceiling painting, which is awesome. But let me just take you guys around and show you all the drywall work. If you remember, that little tack strip was up there. So that's been removed and sanded. The entryway has been, this opening has been finished so we can use like a bifold closet door instead of a regular hinge door there, which is cool. Here's the finished opening, finally. Man, it's so crazy to take something from just a, you know, like a vision to actually seeing it all the way through, and this is a perfect example of that right here. This opening really, really changed the look of this house. I mean, no matter which way you look at it through, it looks great. So this will be our dining area. Originally we were gonna put some cabinets in here. We decided against that. What we are gonna do is a chair rail all the way around this room. I think it'll really set it off. In here, we still don't know what we're gonna do with this wall. It's kind of gonna be an open wall for the time being. The pantry, we had this entryway finished also, and it just made sense. It didn't really make sense to have a hinge door here. So we got a nice bifold door going for right there. Now here is our one wall of our, you know what? I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek towards the end of this video. I'm gonna show you exactly what the kitchen's gonna look like, because we did order our cabinets and our countertops, and they did give us a 3D rendering with our appliances and everything in. So I'll get a pretty good look at what we're looking at here. But you know, I'm not gonna lie, Chris and his guys did a really good job on the drywall. This has all been primed with drywall primer. The fridge will go here. You can see the water pipe coming up. We'll have a cabinet, then the stove, then another cabinet on the end. Over here we'll have a base cabinet, and then a corner cabinet, and then our farmhouse sink, dishwasher, and another cabinet on the end. And then obviously we'll have some upper cabinets also. We went with 30-inch cabinets because we found out if you do the 42, the true 42, you won't be able to put a crown molding on. And if you do a 36 with the crown, it kind of makes it hard to paint back there, clean back there. So we ended up just going with a 30. So we'll have a pretty good gap up there. We'll be able to paint if we ever need to repaint it in the future. And it'll still give us the effect we were going for with the 4 can lights, because they'll be able to shine down on the face of the cabinet versus just being blocked off by the top of it. So in here, this is where they joined up some old drywall to new drywall. We went over that closet, and the ceiling also too, joining old and new drywall and joining 2 different thicknesses. So that's where the experience came in, and it really paid off to get a contractor that has a lot of experience with taping and mudding drywall. So very happy with that. Let me show you guys the bathroom, if I can get this cord all the way over there. Like I said, the rooms are good to go. Just need to put some color on the walls and they're pretty much done. Once the floors are set, we're good. You can see that nice satin paint, 2 coats in the bathroom, really came out great. And we're gonna slide the tub in. We're probably gonna put some satin on the walls in here, make it easy to wipe down. And we're gonna red guard the whole tub area. And we're gonna be putting tile on the wall and on the floor. So still got some work to do in the bathroom. Very similar to the other bathroom, just tile floor. Yeah, I'm not sure what happened. My camera was beeping on me. Let me show you the half bath too. Real happy with the way this turned out. You know, they really showed their best work around the openings, the window openings and the door openings. I mean, that's a lot to ask for, to come in and finish 1, 2, 3, 4 openings and 1, 2, 3 window openings. You know, pretty happy with the workmanship, and like I said, just happy with the way everything turned out. So I don't think there's much else new to show you guys. Just show you the nice clean ceilings painted. I'm so happy I got the ceilings out of the way and I won't have to paint any more ceilings. There will be one ceiling fan here and one here over the dining room table. Got our 4 lights and our pendant light over the sink. Let's see what's going on down here. I don't know if you guys can see this well, but we did all flat on the ceiling out here in the hallway. And the walls have all been sanded, ready for paint. So down here, got a lot going on since the last time I filmed a video. I went ahead and repurposed the cabinets and threw them up in here. Got our plumbing, our laundry tub. Just wanted to reuse those kitchen cabinets if I could, so I went ahead and threw them up there so we'll have some laundry storage. So I also did have Chris and them finish this wall with drywall, and I painted it with some drywall primer, 2 coats. I went ahead and threw this door up, got it all nice and level. I took the door off the frame because I'm gonna paint it. So I have me a little paint shop set up down here. I've already painted all the trim for the whole house. It's definitely over 100 pieces. I don't know exactly how many, but a lot. Let's put it that way. I think about 120, maybe more, give or take. There's a lot of these because they're shorter. And then there's still a lot of baseboards too. 12 footers at 12-foot quarter round shoe molding right there. So got all the closet doors down here. Here's that one laundry room door. And I'm gonna go ahead over the next couple days and get these knocked out. Let them start drying, push them up against the wall. That way when, we're going with a friend of a friend, his name's Mike, for the floors. When Mike's done refinishing the floors, Cowboy Mike, then I will hang all the rest of the doors, take them off, bring them down here and paint them with the semi-gloss, and then just paint the jambs when I install the trim. So that's the plan. All the trim will get another coat when I put it on. Just wanted to pre-paint it. This was a lot of work right here because we had to scuff up every piece, and you can see the finish on it. It turned out amazing. I hope it's picking up on camera, but it's like it's coated in, you know, coated in a sheet of plastic, which is kind of the, you want your trim to be durable, you know. A lot of fingerprints get on this, so with the second coat on top of it, should be money. I did use a good paint on this too. This is the Promar 200 from Sherwin-Williams. Got to get some more for the doors. So all the trim and all the doors is going to be in semi-gloss. The walls of the house are going to be in eggshell. The walls of the kitchen and bath are going to be in satin, along with the ceilings. And like I mentioned, the rest of the ceilings would be in flat. So we're going to have a couple different types of paint going on. I have a bunch of paint left over already, so just because, you know, when you're buying it, you don't want to run out, and we were spraying, we wanted to have extra, so I have extra kills, extra satin, which I was thinking I can use that white satin out in the garage, repaint the garage with something that's easy to wipe down also. So that's where I'm at with the place. I think I'm gonna end the video here, not super long. If I have any clips that I missed, I'll throw them up in this video. Oh, shoot, I almost forgot the renderings of the cabinets. Hold on. Step off in the garage. Oh, don't mind my 83 Regal T-Type I got in here. That's for another project. Maybe even on this channel, maybe on another channel. We'll worry about that in a month or two. But I did get all my interior doors. You saw the closet doors down there. We even have the exterior doors. This is the garage steel fire door. We got the entry door for the side. This one's really cool. It's got blinds built into it for the side door. And then the front door's got a nice piece of glass. So, and we also got our 2 screen doors too. So we're ready to go. I wanted to grab stuff just in case the price of materials keeps going up, which it probably will. So let me show you those cabinet renderings real quick. Okay, so this is the wall with the fridge and stove, you know, microwave up top. There's the cord for the microwave. And this is the rendering right here. So, sorry, it's not exactly straight. The fridge on the left with with a panel on this side to give it the built-in effect, which would end up being like right here, and then one on the opposite side also, so it will be closed off. And then you got your 24-inch deep cabinet on top, which is really cool. Notice the crown molding on everything too, guys. This is all included in the package that we purchased. We went with cabinets to go, and we got countertop too. It's not this countertop, it's a white quartz that we got. So we have our, you know, 15s right here, and then 30-inch for the stove with a 30-inch bridge cabinet, another 15. And then over here, so this is our corner with our sink area, right? So we have our first piece here, which is going to be a 27-inch base, and that's going to go into a 33-inch Lazy Susan right here. And then we will have some filler strips so we can center this sink directly in the middle of the window. And then we will come into our dishwasher and another 15 on as a base. And Dana wanted the 3-drawer base here, so I got in the 3 drawers. And then this is a 36 up here, a 9 just to make the distance around the window even, with a 24-inch corner and another big 36-inch cabinet. So we'll have plenty of storage space. And again, the crown molding all the way at the top, and that includes the toe kicks also for the bottom. So, and you can kind of see what the farmhouse sink will look like. We went with a stainless steel single bowl sink, so don't pay attention to that, but it will be like this. In the front of the sink, the apron, excuse me, will stick out past the countertop, and the sink will be mounted underneath. It'll be really slick. We got the white quartz. It's gonna be professionally installed by the biggest stone company in this area. The same one that everyone uses, Lowe's, and all the big home improvement stores use this. Fabricator. I believe it's what was it called? I think it's Hard Rock Stoneworks. So I'm pumped on that. Pumped to get the floors done, and really honestly my next thing I'm gonna do is start working on in here, getting the floor prepped so we can put some cement board down. Also, we will have to do the same thing in the bathroom. We have a little more work to do in the bathroom first. Then we will be pretty much ready to go. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys on the next one. Oh, also, Happy New Year 2022. Let's start this year off with a bang.